All right, so tell us a little bit about yourself and where we are today.
My name is Shikha Bhattacharya. Hopefully you know me. And I am the current executive director for ReThink Inc. We are here at ReThink's Zero Waste store in Terre Haute, Indiana.
All right, and what is that you have in your hand?
This is the laundry powder that I designed or formulated because I was looking for a product that's all natural, and also we can package it sustainably. So we have these glass jars that people bring us, and we just repurpose them for your laundry powder.
And tell us about the ingredients that are inside, and how did you figure out that's the magic potion?
So it took me a couple of tries. I did a lot of reading. There are some formulations in the market that are all natural, but I had to come up with something that works for HE machines, high efficiency machines. I was reading a lot about if you use soaps, handmade soaps, it can make your high efficiency machine go bad. Eventually it would clog it up. So I had to work out a formula where there's not a lot of soap and it's so finely powdered, and then we again filter it through a sieve, so there is nothing that can clog your machine. And then there is a lot of sodium percarbonate, which is also called OxiClean. It's a natural oxygen based bleach. It's not calcium, it's not your regular Clorox bleach. There is calcium carbonate, which is washing soda that has been historically used for cleaning stuff forever. And there's also sodium borate, which is a laundry booster. So these are just the 4 ingredients, and then we top it off with our essential oils, whichever, eucalyptus, lemon, geranium, and here you have it.
Okay, so some people might be thinking, what does she do? Just like go to some mommy blog and pick up like these ingredients? Tell us a little bit about like your background of like education and how you actually know what's inside this jar and how they work together.
My educational background, I'm a pharmacist. And throughout my school, we had to make stuff. We formulated. I made everything from deodorant to lotions to lipsticks to everything. So I have experience in making stuff. I have a lot of chemistry background from my pharmacy school, but then I also have a PhD in biomedical studies, and I worked in the lab for all my life for at least 5 years straight, day and night. So I'm pretty familiar with chemicals and what bad stuff or what can be bad. And then with my passion about preventing pollution, it really motivates me to read ingredients and to learn about chemicals.
So when you put these ingredients together, you know how they work together?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.